Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is courage. I want you to stand up and be counted. You're original, a one of one. Leave your fingerprint, your footprint, your originality. Be confident in being yourself, not trying to fit into the world's puzzle, but create your own puzzle, your own picture that the world will marvel at, because your gifts are in your originality. You're not missing out on anything, and it does nothing for you to mimic what's already been created. Be your original self. I'm stronger than fear and bigger than doubt. I am light and I remain light. I trust in God and I stand tall before the tests of life, that I grow and become wiser through every challenge. Therefore, you're wiser, stronger, and positive energy and blessings comes with its own weight. So as you become stronger and wiser, the bigger the blessing, the bigger the manifestations that you will actually have coming to you, because you can maintain it. I am a being of new life. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.